Yeah, last night I come in off of the road. I think at 10 o'clock news it was. And me hear 3 killed in Raytown. Police killed 3 in a Raytown. When I'm show the picture people, I talk, because I don't live my life in a fear and I no walk in a fear. Though the road grimy every day people and leaving your family at home and coming out even with your family, you're not even sure if you're going to live to go back in to all the road around. The gun them enough on the road, which everybody know that. And criminals there on the road that traverse to and fro. You don't know what can happen next. But I don't have a problem with police, I don't have a problem with the law, because I'm a law-abiding citizen. And the police them step up them tempo and them a do them work. I'm not going to take side with nobody and say the police corrupt or whatever. That's not my business. They have never dealt with me on that level before, so I don't have a hang up on the system where the police and the soldiers are concerned. But those 3 faces them show up on TV last night who the police killing in Raytown. And them robbed me on Harbour Street, right at the All Ice factory, and traumatized me youth. Because the brown boy where you see on the TV, I am rest the gun angle for my son and put the nozzle on my side. Yeah. Him look like him innocent, but when him start talk, you see the killer in him. And people jump up and say police this and police that and police kill them in a cold blood. Police know say them a do the dirt. Because police smart, and I think the police are fool, Sometimes you see a man a do things long and police are report, tell if you report them. You know the reason why for that? For you keep reporting them. Because when them act, them have enough backative to support them action with them do. Police give people chance to change them fool ways, And police know say you deal with something called information are coming, boy, and you know so them come for you yet. A chance and mercy period them a give you stop doing what you do, So when them have to come for you, them really have to come for you. Because you know say you are doing what you do. Yeah man, I just God make them not kill me the day down a Harbour Street there. Right at the top, the last left turn. And that little lane they run cross water lane. Yeah man, them not innocent. Them robbed me. September the 6th, 2:30. Right at the intersection of Harbour Street and the road there, the last left turn I go down there. So brawling under the cameras, they robbed me. Traumatized me out. Take away my phone, take away the phone of them call the person to see them want to buy. Take away bike papers and run gone in the direction of Raytown. From the bridge side, we come from over south across the road. Yeah. Good work, police. Keep it up.